architectural design is difficult to unleash as much inspiration as other works of art. Architectural design is often limited by structure, material, shape constraints. This can now be partially elevated through 3D printing technology. Through large-scale printing techniques and materials, buildings can be designed and constructed in more and more shapes, and these shapes can be constructed in larger and larger sizes. By varying the accuracy of the data, building structure, material components, it's possible to turn a smaller architectural model of a display artifact into a real building. We and Tech have used the entire process many times on actual views.